palaro ko, guys, palaro ko sa mga anak ko. Sa mananalo, $5. Sa consolation prize, $2. Pabilisan sila kung sino makakatapos magbalat. Ready, set, go! No, this one is for the bucket. You can put your skin there. Pabilisan, pabagalan. Malaro to. Who's gonna be slow or who's gonna be fast? What kind of... Oh, make sure it's clear this too.
Oh, Kelly.
Yeah. I think pabagalan. This is game 2. Who's gonna be slower? That's fine. You don't need to cut on the edge because I'm gonna cut with the knife. You can pour the carrots on the table, so it's easy for you. Oh my gosh. Is this turtle game or what?
For who?
How about me and Daddy's gonna be next, okay? Mahal!
God, this is hard.
Mahal!
It's because I'm left-handed. It's hard.
Left-handed. No, there's no...
Left-handed, it's hard.
Yeah, 'cause
Hold
you
on.
gotta cut like this.
Alright, fine. Hold on, ready?
Next, me and
Just
Daddy.
switch my hands.
Next, me and Daddy who's gonna fastest to fill up the carrots, okay? You wanna try?
Dude, look, I switched my hands. Why is nothing happening?
You... I think it's fun. No, wait, they have a prize. You see, watch them how to do it. I give you a chance to learn. Oh! I think I'm gonna list...
No!
Okay.
You're...
No, only the skin, not the whole. Oh, Daddy's doing fast. Oh my gosh. Oh, now you learn. Oh, you see, I'm gonna
You
lose.
missed the entire thing!
You wanna try, you and me?
No.
I think you did good.
He's slowing me down from CJ. Why are you
You,
brushing
oh,
it?
look, oh, that's right. That's right.
God, don't
That's
cut
how
me.
you do it. Ah, why are you brushing? She did. Oh. Okay, that's how you do it. I don't know why you're doing so slow earlier.
No, because you're not supposed to brush it. That's
Yes,
supposed to
yes,
go off
that's
all
right.
the thing. That's
No,
supposed to
that's
go off
only
the
one
thing.
time.
That's why I just swipe. I don't brush it. It's not a dog.
You don't need to take it off the top, CJ. That's okay, because I have to cut all
Dude,
the
it's
way.
not mommy's extensions. Why are you brushing it?
Ah, CJ's gonna cut you off. Hurry up, baby girl. Oh, God. $5, $5. $5, $2. Yes, that's right. Pour on top in the floor. $5, $2. Hurry up. Pali-pali. Uh-oh. Guys, balatan ng carrots yan, no? Tingnan natin sino mananalo. Daddy's doing good. I think I'm gonna lose if me and Daddy's challenge how to fill up carrots. You did good, Mahal. Challenge me. Kaylee, he caught you. He catching you up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Two left for Kaylee. CJ! Hurry up! Si Kaylee, slow down. Slow down, so you have $2, Kaylee. I got 5. That's